Let's begin by coming into the standing position with the feet shoulder width apart, gentle bend in the knees, spine nice and tall. And we take those big 3 breaths to start every practice. Inhale through the nose, down to the belly, expanding, then open the mouth and sigh out the exhalation. Good. As you inhale, make sure the belly expands, not just the chest. Then exhale through the mouth to release tension. And one more time when you're ready, big belly breath, full expansion. Then exhale to soften. And we'll start with the twist through the spine to massage the entire spine. Keep that gentle bend in the knees, and we look behind over each shoulder to guide the twist. Arms are completely relaxed. Start nice and slow. This helps to realign the vertebra in the spine. It helps to release tension in the spine. And of course, it's taking care of the nervous system and the brain that are connected through the spine. So this is a great movement. If you only have 1 or 2 minutes to do something, this is one of the best movements you can do. And as always, we stay with that breath. Big inhales through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Take your time. And if you smile, that literally sends the message to your brain that you're safe and it's okay to relax. So smiling for a few seconds to a minute or 2 can actually help lift your mood. Even if you're not feeling like smiling, just send that message to your brain and it will change how you feel. Now let's slowly unwind back to the center and take that big relaxing breath after each movement. Out through the mouth. Now we want to take care of the joints. So place the hands on the hips or out to the sides. Bring the balance into one foot. Raise the opposite foot. We want to rotate that ankle by rotating the big toe in full circles 5 times, finding the full range of motion. Then we change the direction. 5 big circles. Taking care of the ankle joints, very important so that we have that release of tension. Now point the toes towards your face, flexing the foot towards you, then point the toes away from you. 5 times. Stay with the breath. Good. And come down to the other foot, and we'll do the other side. Same thing. Big circles with that big toe. Keep breathing. The deeper we breathe, the healthier we are. And let's change to the other side. And point and flex that toe, full range of motion. The ankles can get sore from sitting, so we want to release any tension there. And come back down to both feet, shoulder width apart. Big relaxing breath. Now the feet come a little closer together, about hip width. Place the hands above the knees. And we're going to rotate those knees in full circles. If you have any knee pain, of course, go very gently, or you can leave this one out. Take your time rotating in one direction. Then we rotate in the other direction. Nice full circles. And 5 times each way. And we'll come back to the center. Big relaxing breath here as always. Let go of any tension. So the feet hip width apart. Place the hands on the hips. And let's rotate those hips. We really exaggerate the motion. So with the upper body, you're going deep into the movement. Take your time. Full breathing. Nice and slow. We'll do it about 5 times in one direction. We got to release the hips and the lower back here. Then we go to the other direction. So again, always be gentle in these movements. We're not trying to force anything. We're just trying to release the body's tension. So take your time. Very good. One more. And we'll come back to the center and take that big relaxing breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. Now let's shake out the wrists. And as you do so, stay with the breath. Big inhale through the nose. Always fill that belly first, then the chest. Then exhale through the mouth. This is a great way to get the energy flowing through the wrists. We'll do one more big breath in. And exhale. Relax the arms to the sides. Now let's move into the shoulders. We're going to spin those arms forward and back. Swing those arms forward and back. And one arm over the other in the front. This helps to open the chest and the upper back. These places get tense when we're sitting at the desk. So it's a great way to release. Then we'll just come back and take one arm forward, up and back. A few times here, 5 times. Staying with the breath. And we'll change the direction. Other way. Big breath in, big breath out. And one more on the other side, same thing. Keep rotating, releasing the shoulders. Go as gently as you need to, then change the other direction. Yes. And last one. Take it down to the side. Deep, relaxing breath. Now, gentle rotation of the head in a full circle to one direction. Just take your time. If your neck is tense, always be very cautious. We don't want to cause any pain in these practices. It's just a little bit of a release. Good. Then change to the other direction. Take your time. Stay with that breath. One more rotation. When the chin comes to the chest, come back up. And let's take the relaxing breath to finish. Now you're ready for the rest of your day.